Weiss and Band. Today we're going to be identifying some key signatures on our bass clef staff. This is for level 6. We have a 900-second time limit today to do 100 of these, so a little bit less than 10 seconds for each answer today. In addition to the key signatures that we've been using in the past, your key of C with no sharps or flats, your key of F with one flat, your key of G with one sharp, we now have our key of B flat that we added last time with 2 flats, and we learned a new rule to go along with that. And we also have the key of D that we're going to add today that's going to have 2 sharps in it. Now, I'll share the rule with that again. It's the same rule that we use for the key of G, but I'll demonstrate how that works for the key of D as well. And starting right off, we have our new key signature, the key of D. How do I know that? For sharps, the rule is that I go from my bass clef and I go to the furthest sharp sign away. So I go all the way out to here, and I take the letter of that sharp. In this case, the center of the sharp is on the line for, the space for C, and then I have to raise that up by 1. So out to here, identify as C, raise up 1 letter of our alphabet to D. So I have to start with a natural here, and then I have to add in D. This turns green, showing me I'm on the right track. Then I add in D for our new key signature. Now here was our new flat key signature. Remember, the rule that we introduced last time is for flats, we go out to the furthest flat away, and then we back up by 1. And in this case, the name of the flat here is the name of the key. So this flat here affects B. So this is the key of B flat. Now I know it affects B because the line for B goes right through the hoop right here. And so for this, I have to press the flat button first. I know I'm on the right track because it turns green, and then I add B. Now the same rule for sharps applies here. I just go out to the furthest sharp away from my bass clef. Since there's only one, it has to be this. I identify that sharp. Now it's on the line for F, and then I have to raise it by 1. F goes up to G. Add natural, select G. And when we have no sharps or flats, we're just going to need to remember that start with natural. That is the key of C. If you have questions beyond what you saw in our video today, make sure you visit my office hours or you send me an email. As always, if you get more errors than allowed or you run out of time, make sure you submit your best effort before you try again.